Okay, here we have these two trinomials, and first we are going to find the sum. And remember, to find the sum, we just have to add them up. And I'm just going to write this down first. So we have negative 2x to the third power plus x squared minus 5x. And I will be adding this with the other one, and I will just write this down again. 2x to the third power plus 6x squared plus 4x, right? And you see, both of them, they don't have anything in front of the parentheses. And since this is just a plus, I can just distribute, right? And I can just take out the parentheses. So this is just negative 2x cubed plus x squared minus 5x. And then this times all that is the same thing inside. Plus 2x to the third power plus 6x squared plus 4x. And in the end, we just have to combine like terms. You see that negative 2x cubed plus 2x cubed, they just cancel each other out, right? So this just 0. So you can just like cancel them out. Yeah, cancel them out like this. And then if you look at here is x squared, this is plus 6x squared. Combine them, we get 7x squared. And lastly, we have this negative 5x plus 4x. That's going to give us minus x, and then we are done. 7x squared minus x, and this is with degree 2. Okay, so this is it. Now to find the product, remember, product means that we have to multiply this and that together, and because both of them are of 3 terms, right? So let's go ahead and use the box method for the trinomial times trinomial situation. So let me just draw the boxes right here. So I will do a 3 by 3. It's just like a tic-tac-toe box like this. And let me put this one on the top. In fact, it doesn't matter if you put this one on the side or on the top, because the order of multiplication doesn't matter. But I will just put this one on the top right here. Let me write down negative 2x cubed plus x squared minus 5x. And then I'll put this one on the side. 2x cubed plus 6x squared, and then in the end here we have the plus 4x, and we just have to multiply, right? So if you take this times that, this is going to be negative 4x to the 6th power. Remember, when you multiply x to a third power with x to a third power, you add the powers and you get 6 for the new power, okay? And then we continue. We take this times that, it's going to be 2x to the 5th power, right? 2 plus 3 is 5 for the new power. And then negative 5x times 2x to the third power becomes negative 10x to the 4th power. And then negative 2x to the third power times this is negative 12x to the 5th. This times that, and we just have 6x to the 4th power. And negative 5x times 6x squared is negative 30x to the 3rd power, right? Because this is like 1 times the x to a 2nd power, so 1 plus 2 is 3 for the new power. And then here, this is negative 2x to a 3rd power times 4x is going to be negative 8x to the 4th power. X squared times 4x is going to be 4x cubed, and then negative 5x times 4x is negative 20x squared. And now let's go ahead and combine like terms. Usually happens on the diagonal, and if you see this right here, they both have the x to the 5th power, and these right here, they all have x to the 4th power, and this right here, both of them have x to the 3rd power. And now I can just, put this down first because this is by itself. So it's pretty much negative 4x to the 6th, and then 2x to the 5th minus 12x to the 5th is going to be negative 10, and we keep this as x to the 5th because we are just combining like terms. And for this right here, we can just focus on the coefficient. Negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4, and then minus 8 is negative 12, right? So that's negative 12, but these are the x to the 4th power term. And then we're moving on to this one. Negative 30x cubed plus 4x cubed becomes negative 26x to the 3rd power. And lastly, we have this minus 20x squared And this right here is the answer. And don't forget to put down the degree of this resulting polynomial. And you see that the highest power right here is 6. So the degree is 6. And with that, we are done.